want to
What if me didn't want to be cooked?
I would have judged me. You didn't want to tell you. Man took it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dawn B. What's going on, my guy? I'm excited because we have a special guest. We have a special guest with us today. We have our mommy. Yeah, our mommy, because it's our mommy, right? So what we're gonna do is a mother and daughter tag with a little twist. She's going to do my makeup. Mommy, hey, you know, to put on makeup.
No, mommy dear.
Mommy, stop it. Stop up now. Yeah, so she's gonna do my makeup. A little something or something. She can't do makeup here, guys. Don't make you fool you. She can't do makeup. She put on a little something, you know, all that, but she put on a little something or something. So we have a little things upon the table, the contour, the wipes, the sponge, and the lip gloss. She don't know where it is. Foundation, mommy, a foundation.
No, my foundation is different.
Yeah. So, and while she's gonna do my face, I have some questions on my phone I'm gonna ask her. So come in, yeah, make it thing.
So you want your face so greasy?
So you know when the people them see you, I'm not seeing you, man.
Happy Independence, everyone.
Subscribe.
Watch out, what kind of break up something there, my girl? Oh, what is father? It's coming like season. Tell me what is.
You know, say jump from me. I'm saying no, but now we are sick, guys. Now we are sick, so much.
You're gone bad. No. You failed the test already. Now make it. Anyway,
Alright.
Anyway, so I'm gonna put the makeup on. Don't tell me that I'm too rough, no, because I know you.
I'm gonna start with the question then from now.
That's what you want to do.
Alright, so the first question is, what's the most important thing you have taught me?
What's the most important thing I've taught you?
Yes.
Have a mind of your own. Be determined in whatever you set out to do. Never leave the Lord out of anything that you do.
That's not something you teach me.
One whole heap, you can't stay there. You may try me say, I'm me and you alone.
Why?
I'm rough. Yeah, because I don't really get no teaching of put on makeup, so.
Yeah, guys, so now that nobody bully her with.
Put it on myself, so I don't have the niche of doing it, okay?
Okay. Next question. Guys, why is it coming on? Why is it coming on? What is something that having a child had taught you?
Teach you for backside beer pain, that's all I know.
What kind of pain?
And teach you for beer pain. I mean, not just labor pain, but there's a lot that comes with having a child. It's not just the pain, but you have sometimes you end up with emotional pain because things might not work the way you plan, and you get in a depressing mode and it causes pain. Sometimes relationships too, like
mentally, emotionally, physical, also the pain.
Yeah, what if a pain? So that's why you're not for run to get pregnant too quick, because if your mind mentally not ready for it, oh God, no matter. Seriously.
Were there any similarities between me and you as a child?
Well, yes. You were more for outdoor play, which is something I enjoyed, and you enjoyed being with boys, which is something I enjoy doing too. Cause me to get a lot of beating, following the boys, but you learn a lot from them, and you learn actually how to understand them more.
Yeah, I dig off my face, bro. Say this here.
I tell you, I'm not profound this thing, you know, miss.
But wait, when you know say this first, you have to put on.
Me gone, pardon?
How did you know this is what you're supposed to put on?
Because I put it on myself. So I know you put on the foundation first, and then you put on the powder to keep it cool. What is your problem?
I'm just trying to find out.
Oh, I'm on the right track.
Yes.
Well, whether I'm on the right track or not today, this weekend I'm independent, so you can get a beautiful look if you want.
I thought I'm not gonna know it. Yeah, I can't remember somewhere.
Me. You said me I'm going away on holiday. Anyway, my girl, we don't understand what kind of your makeup just, you're something them just
cause me not fancy them something here.
Holy Lord.
I buy them for my birthday, guys. Like, we never even have everything. We just have like the foundation, the brush, the contour.
Seriously.
It just, you know, make what me I try. Next question.
Because you don't have something.
So shall I just cut and just, when she come back?
Hey, everybody, oi.
A blush time, mommy?
Well, if I blush or a smile, it's sometime, that's all I know.
But you're not even put on this first.
What is that? I don't use your
liquid foundation.
I put on my foundation.
What is my things me give you to put on my face?
Listen to me now. You see, because you're on my time, I do what I please right now. Okay? Your face don't look like a touch.
Exactly, so you need to touch up the liquid
anyway,
foundation.
Go on talk.
Next question.
I have no brush.
When were
finger do it here, only finger.
No, sir.
I'm supposed to have a little brush down. Go on talk.
Next one.
Oh man, this turned me off. God knows.
Hey, you wanna have brush? You wanna wear makeup after?
Question.
Yeah. Oh, alright. When were you proudest of me?
When I was the proudest of you. There are so many times I've been proud. But
oh. Yes, when was your most proudest? Or what? Yeah. Alright? Yeah, when were you proudest of me?
fifth form.
What's happening fifth form?
When you pass up the 8th subject, then God knows if you know me did afraid because through you have this phobia for exam. All your teacher did afraid. God knows. I wonder what you have to do for the exam. Look here. It's not make it, you know. Whatever. She don't have any brush, so I use my finger.
Next question. Am I a stubborn child?
When you're ready.
Well, adult.
Huh?
Was I a stubborn child?
Growing up?
Yes.
No.
Mommy, lie?
You weren't stubborn, Danny. Since you're grown up now, you have your way. Yeah, but when you're smaller, you would obey. You do what I asked you to do. You weren't stubborn.
I just normally just behave like one because.
Yeah, cause you couldn't get to have your way when you're smaller than him because you know.
Yeah.
You see, because me didn't have to play the role of mother and father.
Yeah, yeah.
When me talk no dog back, so when me tell you move, me just know so you have to move. You understand? Okay. So I never have an issue with you as it relates to behavior or anything like that.
Alright. Next question.
What is this?
When I was little, what did you think I was going to be when I grew up?
Then I didn't give it any thought then. But I know you were more outdoor, and I know majority of the family members are more for construction and everything over there. So I just embrace the fact that you love to be in the science.
That's it.
Well, yeah, but I never give it a thought as to what I would want you to be.
Oh, yes. So it will be cough.
Growing under my management.
Yeah, you couldn't be cough.
You're mad no backside. You couldn't be cough.
Why?
You don't want to cough.
What if me didn't want to be cough?
I would have judged me. You didn't want me to tell you. Man took it away. I'm laughing. I would have judgment in the mouth.
Alright. Next question. Alright. What made me laugh the most when I was little?
When your cousin them come from Kingston and you can be from Ramadan and go like an India.
Like Guinea. Mommy, I'm gonna break off my neck. Oh, make you want to break off my neck. I'm gonna lip and dry.
Oh!
Make you want to break off my neck. Next question. My neck hurt me, mommy, for real. If you had $1 million, what would you do with it?
Invest it.
And we are doing it if I get extra million. We are doing it.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, if we have extra $1 million.
Extra. You think $1 million money?
Shut your mouth with a little bit of money. Shut up.
Hello.
$1 million is not much. It's not much. There's not much that you can do with $1 million.
Yeah. Next question.
But I would invest it.
How did you and your friends have fun as kids?
My friend, I stick with the boys, so we made kites. We had when it rains, we would bathe in the rain. We used to thief. We used to thief planting out of the frying pan.
So you're proud of that?
God knows when we little. We used to thief planting. Them used to do like popcorn and planting. And somebody in the yard that we used to live, it was like a tenement yard. When I was about 4 or 5. And somebody wet them bed, so the parents then put the mattress outside, like 2 chairs and the mattress, and lean up. So when we thief the planting, underneath they would go. One day I thief a piece of planting and the heat of the planting warm me, I have to chop it.
So you get kicked?
Why? You get a lick.
Who lick you?
No, ma.
You don't be thief, mommy. So what if me did do that and then tell us say me thief?
You never have nobody for guide if you say don't steal.
No, what if me did do it? No, what you would have do?
That teach you what is right. Now talk to you first and make you know. So if you need it, just ask for it.
But that's first time. But if it's second time we do it, what would I do?
Give you a second warning.
Yeah, give me warning.
Yeah, man, a warning. Because you see when Nelly come, it don't really come nice, you know that.
Oh. What time of the day I was born and how was I as a baby?
Jesus, Holy Ghost.
No, I make it think look so, mommy. I say this, yeah?
You were born at about 5 minutes
That morning.
in the evening. And then it was not an easy task because you sleep at the day and you born at night. And when you wake up, you say at them time here, you just awake. You know what that means when you wake?
Yeah.
Nobody not sleep. I
Okay.
don't care how much we hush you. It's like we can't just stop you from crying because you just so.
What you pulling?
Then we get to me because the people just. She just a bad.
Wait,
You see, as a young mother and it's for the first time, you don't really know how to deal with, you know. So it's a gradual process. After a while, you get to learn how to monitor, you know, and know, say, boy, when you're sleeping a day, you have to catch a little sleep when you're sleep class. When you get up at night, you have to go get up with you and everything. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
no, I mean, I'm not coming to have a baby.
No, I'm just, but yeah, I'm understanding.
No,
I'm just explaining.
A joke. Did you imagine that you'd be a mom at the age you had me?
Yeah, but I never want to have my baby no early time. I was happy the time I had it. I had you not had it. Look here, I mean, I don't know if I finish off them or something you want to say. No? I was happy.
Guys, I tell you, don't comment or it go on.
Why? Whether I don't want to comment or not, me I do my thing.
No, just let me know and be real and be real.
Can't be like the young people that will get it at
touch up and
yeah,
them nice
you understand,
things.
yeah. But I know somehow, somewhere,
It's a comment.
Why look thicker?
Mommy.
Okay, eyebrows thick.
So why you make it thicker then if it's thicker?
Okay, eyebrows thick. Let's see if I can.
Trouble. Have you done?
What?
We'll finish when she's finished. We'll finish asking the question as soon as she's finished with my makeup. So
yeah,
you guys think, no, mommy want to be my lip and them nice, something a little blush and...
You don't have what it takes to do it. You don't have no lipstick. Where is it? Right there. You want some eyeliner for it?
No, sir. All man style.
Okay.
That's what you would do. Wait there.
You know you come for the thing and you not even have arm of it put on your lip.
Sit here.
What is this?
Lip gloss. Or lipstick, lip, whatever. Last question before we leave, guys. What's your favorite memory of us?
My favorite memory of you dragging you to the market. One.
Guys, no.
Everywhere I go.
She just a haul and pull me.
Everywhere I go.
No.
People used to say I'm an handbag or them say carbon copy. You feel like each other so a carbon copy?
Yeah,
one thing I
think they look alike. Comment though.
Hi guys, do you think we look alike?
No, we don't.
One thing I liked, though, like when I was around the back washing on a Saturday, you still wearing in the front room and you were reading, but you loved, because I usually like read stories to you, and your favorite character was Winnie the Pooh, and I used to have to buy a book every time that I go to the market. I have to carry home a storybook. And Lord, when we come home and she start to read, the neighbors next door hear her, because I am at the back washing and you in the bedroom at the front, but you're reading loud. And the neighbor realizes it's a child that loves to read, so Miss Watson take out all her son's baby books.
Yes, I should.
You remember? Yeah.
Them.
Ladybird books and stuff, and she said this is what her son, and she hear Danny reading, so give these to Danny so Danny read. So,
Mommy, my lip a crack. Pour put on lipstick fast, quick and fast.
No. I'm no professional, okay? I don't think we know what to put on this show.
Mommy, you can't be yourself. Last question, guys.
What is it? I can't even touch. Wait.
Last question.
Wait, for the lip. What do I say?
Describe me in one sentence.
Adorable. One sentence?
We purposely do it.
So just paint your teeth.
Yes, one sentence.
Danny is an adorable child. Your lip not look good. You don't know why it was like. Holy Lord.
No, some of that feel like that makeup thing.
No, the makeup not act. Anyway, I guess you just wanted us to converse, so
guys, please comment down below if you think this makeup. I know my eyelash no get little touch.
The mother no know if you lash up.
Don't go so no get no.
So she needs to go and latch shop where them can look after her properly, as our mother no go get no training from them something there, and our mother no so verse about the at up thing. Understand? So she have to take it as she get it. The mother tries still, you know. She not go road ugly, but she try try put ourselves together.
Guys, please comment down below if you think this video was awesome. If you would want more videos with my mother.
I will not be on it.
No, please no. What if they enjoy it?
Good luck to them.
You can't do that, man. I'm go on.
Anyway, happy independence and all the best to you guys. See you later.
You can't just sign out. You can't sign out for me, mommy. Like just wrap it up for me. You just cut. She don't have no little manners, you know, guys. They have little.
You're too impatient.
Yeah, you run, guys.
So, guys.
Camera, you're still looking at.
Yeah. What am I looking at then?
You're looking at yourself.
So, guys.
Yeah.
I tried.
Yeah.
I don't know how good it is.
Yeah.
I don't know if for an amateur it's a good start. Maybe you can make a note. However, if you know how to do it, then you can suggest some ways or teach me how to do it. Right?
Oh, that means so you go in our next video for them teach you.
No, they can just send it and I'll just go through it.
Alright, go on.
Anyway,
go on.
happy independence.
Go on away. Right now you just now work with the protocol. Guys, thank you guys for watching again. If you do like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below. And it's me, Gambi. And I say, no man, no, me I look on my face, man. What is?
Madhouse!
Me not laugh. I close this. You're wicked. Me just say, I should not even give me the mirror for me look on myself. I not like that, so I look at all of it. I say this. Guys, I'm gone. I'm done. Bye.